Those heavy rains and the downpours could lead to some potential for some flooding. Also, we're tracking the chance for some severe weather tomorrow. We'll break it all down to the full forecast coming up. But tonight, it's going to be another beautiful night. Temperatures into the upper 70s, mid 70s already. But as we go throughout the evening, we're only going to drop into the upper 60s. As we go to the wall here, we're going to track not only current conditions, but that rain heading towards the valley for tomorrow. Now, notice out to the west of us, we are tracking some stray showers that's going to continue to push into the area. Just a light chance for some showers over the next hour or so. But right behind that, we are tracking more showers, even some storms. Now, the first batch of rain up to the north of us. Now, most of this rain will stay up to the north of us into the Great Lakes region, but there's a cold front that will bring the back end of this, wrapping it around and pushing that into the area. Now, that's not the only rain that we're dealing with. Not only that, we're dealing with the remnants of Cindy. Cindy just around the winds, 15 miles an hour, so not much left of Cindy just now. Just the core of it, we're not so much focused on. It's the outer bands. We're seeing one band start to push into southern Ohio. We've been watching it for the last several hours. Also into West Virginia. This will continue to push into our area. So not only do we have to worry about the rain to the north, but also the remnants of Cindy. So that 1-2 punch is going to provide enough moisture for the potential for some flooding tomorrow. You can see it out in the green in southern parts of Ohio, even closer to the valley. Now, this is a flash flood watch. Now, notice how Pittsburgh is also in this watch in Columbiana County, right where my finger is. That area, just a county away from what this flood watch is already in. Now, also, you can notice that there is a warning within that flood watch already. Now, we're going to time those showers out. You can see the first line of showers and storms moving into the early hours. We're talking about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. But then as we go through the first news at 5, 6, and then also going into the early parts of tomorrow morning, those showers and storms will continue throughout the morning, and then that theme will continue. We are seeing showers and some storms come into the parts of early afternoon tomorrow. But the good news is, as we taper off the rest of the day, we are going to see those chances for showers diminish. But look, as we go through 11 o'clock, even into the early hours on Saturday, we could see that last line push through in the early parts when Alex George comes back and brings us our weekend forecast. But all behind that, nothing but sunny skies. We just have to get through that rain threat earlier. Now, that rain threat and the main threat is going to be flooding. The slight chance for some wind that could topple a few trees, so please keep an eye and keep up to date on the latest at WKBN.com. But as far as rainfall totals, we could see anywhere from a ½ an inch round to an inch, and we're going to keep a very close eye on this, especially as it's an all-day event. But for tonight, highs back or lows back into the upper 60s. That chance for showers will continue, and then as we go into tomorrow, highs into the upper 70s, 90% chance of rain. And then as we look to the 7-day forecast, we are expected for that chance to continue not only into Saturday morning, but back on Monday, but cooler start to next week. You're watching 27 First News at 11.